Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over the Google Display Network. So it's another edition of Ask Surfside PPC, and the question is, what is the Google Display Network? So I'm going to get right into it. The Google Display Network is a collection of websites, apps, and videos where you can run your ads across the internet. It's all managed by Google, and websites, apps, videos, they all decide whether or not they want to run Google ads. So basically, if I own a website and I say, okay, my website's getting 1,000 people visiting it every day. What I want to do is start monetizing this content. What you do is you go to Google, you sign up for AdSense, you put AdSense on your website, and then you become part of the Google Display Network. So now advertisers can actually target your website with their ads. They can, your ads are going to follow people as people are targeting audiences. You can target people across the internet with remarketing ads. So a lot of different options that you have here. Just the opening thing here. So it's reach customers on the web and in apps across devices. So desktop, mobile, whatever people are doing, whatever content they're engaging with, you could pretty much show them your ad. So it's going to say Google Ads display ads appear on over 2 million websites and in over 650,000 apps. So pretty huge network of websites and apps. And it also includes videos where you can run your ads. So just some examples that I want to show you here. So pretty much any of the websites you're visiting have Google ads all over them. So here is an example here. So if you go to usatoday.com/tech, so here's an ad right here, Peppermint. This ad at the top a lot of times is filled by Google. Sometimes I think they sell it out as well, but this is filled by Google a lot of times. But this for sure is a Google Display Network ad. If you keep scrolling down, you'll usually find more, a lot of times down the side. So I'm going to open bleacherreport.com here. So just another website, part of the Google Display Network. So add right at the top here for Tempur-Pedic, save $550. So this is all managed through Google AdWords, and it's part of the Google Display Network. So Tempur-Pedic is targeting me. On the Google Display Network, they're saying, okay, reach this person pretty much wherever you can find them. And depending on what their targeting is, so I've been looking for a new mattress recently, so I'm probably in an audience that Google has created of people looking for mattresses. So that's why I'm seeing a Tempur-Pedic ad here. If you spend the next week, just Googling something random that you would never look for, you're eventually going to get ads for that. So just some more examples here. So this is Gmail ads. This also is part of the Google Display Network. So if you use Gmail, you're probably very familiar with the ads at the very top, specifically in the promotions tab. Gmail just released a new design, so these might change the way they look a little bit, but any of the ads at the top of Gmail is all managed through the Google Display Network. So now I have a pretty unique example here. So if I come to ESPN.com, I open an article. The ad at the very top here, this is a Google Display ad. This ad over here to the left is a Google Display ad. This ad here before the video, this could potentially be a video ad that's running on the Google Display Network. I think this might just be filled by ESPN, but a lot of times the pre-roll videos you see when you're watching videos online, particularly when you're looking at different websites and things like that, maybe you're looking at a news video, maybe you're looking at the local weather forecast, the ads that play beforehand is all part of the Google Display Network, so you can target your ads to those videos as well. If I scroll down here, so I want to show you an example of ads that are not Google Display Network ads, just so you can kind of see what the difference is. So you probably see these types of ads everywhere. They're kind of low quality looking sometimes, and usually they use like your location. So I'm located in Myrtle Beach, so it's using my location right now. These are actually powered by Outbrain. They're native ads, so they're ads that usually connect to content. So this is going to be 20 NFL stars. Usually, this is kind of lower quality content that people create and advertise. These clicks are much cheaper, and the whole goal is to just get people to your website and look at some pages, maybe click some ads, maybe buy something, or go through an affiliate offer. But these are Outbrain; they're not part of the Google Display Network like this ad is. So just something to keep in mind. You're going to see other ads around. A lot of times it's native advertising and it's not powered by Google or the Google Display Network at all. So just some more examples here. So if I come to one of my recent videos about the search terms report, how can I see search terms? So there's an ad before the video right now. So this is an ad from instapage.com. And over to the right is another ad as well. So this is, again, part of the Google Display Network. And just a couple more examples. So mobile ads. So if we're looking at mobile ads here, so here's an example. It looks like this website is businessinsider.com. So I'm on blog.funmobility.com. They have a good example here. So looks like this website is businessinsider.com. So one of the ads that runs at the very top here, free small coffee daily for 1 week. You click on it, it opens a web page, with a coupon for free small coffee. Just an example of a mobile display ad. And then last but not least, advertising in apps. So if you're, this is a CBS Sports example. If you're in the CBS Sports app, you're searching through all the different stories, things like that. At the very bottom, you're going to see ads a lot of times, either at the very bottom or the very top. They're usually pinned to the top or bottom. You're going to see an ad, and that's all powered by the Google Display Network as well. So this is pretty much what the Google Display Network is. It's a huge collection of websites, apps, videos, all these different places where you can run your ads. You can reach people as they're looking at content. You can show your product in the right place at the right time. For example, I'm looking for a mattress, so seeing this Tempur-Pedic ad, it might get my interest a little bit. I might click on it, see what the pricing is, and maybe buy it. So kind of a short video today for what the Google Display Network is. I want to show some examples of Google Display Network targeting and ad types in future videos, so be on the lookout for those. But pretty much just an overview. Here's what the Google Display Network is, just places you can run your ads. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching our video today.